How to fix something went wrong, try restarting GeForce Experience. Below are some tips that may help fix something went wrong, try restarting GeForce Experience. 1. Check up the following NVIDIA related services, and ensure that their startup types are as follows: NVIDIA Display Container, LS, Automatic, NVIDIA Network Service Container, Manual, NVIDIA Local System Container, Automatic, NVIDIA Local System Container, Automatic, NVIDIA GeForce Experience Service, Automatic, Delayed Start, NVIDIA GeForce Experience Backend Service, Automatic, Delayed Start, NVIDIA Telemetry Container Service, Automatic or Manual. And go to the Log On tab, click Local System Account and then click OK. 2. Reinstall NVIDIA. Display driver by running the official download at https://bit.ly/22wlen, as admin. Plan B, reinstall NVIDIA display driver via the compatibility mode. 3. Remove existing NVIDIA display driver and /or NVIDIA related apps via the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide. Reboot your system when the uninstallation is finishes, and reinstall NVIDIA display driver by running the official download at https://bit.ly/22wlen, as admin. Note, you may choose the Perform a Clean Installation option instead, later. When the installation is completed, restart your computer. 4. Terminate all NVIDIA background processes via WTM. 5. Download and reinstall the Visual C++. Redistributable for Visual Studio 2015 at https://bit.ly/1ysvpw0, as admin. Restart your system when the install is completed. 6. Update current graphics driver via Device Manager. Hint, pick the Search automatically for updated driver software option. 7. Disable all Microsoft services via misconfig. Enable NVIDIA related services only.